Sama ako.
Thank you! Maaga ako nagka-crush, pero nagustuhan niya ako after ilang years. Taray, di ba ang pogi?
Relax pa rin. Kuya-kuya-kuy lang. Kaya naman ako ganun na ganun, no?
15 years ko tong... Wow! 15 years ko na eh. Kilala mo sa akin? Kala ko, proposal ba to? Ah! Taray na may paalala. Ano naman guys? Sa'yo naman na now. Hindi, doon ka lumabas ka. Come home from Canada, Trisha, Shireen. Ay! Bidyoan mo sila. Ang ganda nila. Uy, ang ganda mo! The next prize. And now you're the perfect sis. Okay na lang.
Richard. Ninong, magic. Kuya, ka-jagger. Hello. Buti nakapunta ka. Sakto lang. Mas maganda yung glam ko sa'yo. Bye-bye ha.
Yes, God bless you.
Punta ka mamaya baka.
Tinanggap mo na yung pagiging alalay.
Alalay na, hindi pa rin ako tama.
They say that before you marry someone, you need to be sure kasi they will go through good times and bad times with you. With what happened last year, mas naging sure ako that you're the only one that I want to spend the rest of my life with.
Every breath you take.
Lahat talaga parang fresh pa sa memories ko, pati mga pag-aaway natin sa jeep. Bababa ako, mag-walk out. Pero antay pa rin naman kita sa Lakpil. Lahat ng yun. Feeling ko last year lang nangyayari. Tapos ngayon, panibagong chapter na naman ng buhay natin.
Every word you
Chard, I'm so excited to begin my life with you, with God as the center of our marriage. I love growing with you and I am so excited to witness more versions of you as we spend a lifetime together.
can't you see you belong to me? How my poor heart aches with every step you take, every move you make, and every vow you break, every smile you fake, every claim you stake. I'll be watching you. Since you've gone, I've been lost without a trace. I dream at night, I can only see your face. I look around, but it's you I can't replace. It feels so cold and I long for your embrace. I keep crying, baby, baby, please.
Hello! Tita, huwag kang iiyak! Love you.
Love you.
Love you, Daddy. Thank you.
You
It's okay.
belong to me. How my poor heart aches with every step you take, every move you make, and every vow you break.
Mahal na mahal kita. I promise you that from this day forward, ikaw ang top priority ko. You will always be my home. RV and Kat together forever.
Every step you take, I'll be watching you. Every breath you take, every move you make, every bond you break, I'll be watching you. Every single day, every word you say, every game you play, I'll be watching every move you make, every vow you break, every smile you fake, I'll be watching every single day, every word you say, every game you play, I'll be watching you.
Itsura mo dati pag kinukulit mo ako nung high school, nakakainis. Then nung college naman tayo, paganda ka na ng paganda.
Parang pangit ko naman.
Wala pa nga, ba't naiiyak ka na po?
Parang pangit ko dati
Paganda ng paganda.
Pretty woman, walking down the street. Pretty woman, the kind I like to meet. Pretty woman, I don't believe you. You're not the truth. No one could look as good as you.
Uy, grabe!
Mercy,
Tinali mo na ako. Yung salita ko, nakatali.
pretty woman, won't you pardon me?
Last night, before I fell asleep, makikipag-break? As boyfriend. Tapos kinilig ako. I realized na walang talagang kupas. Kinikilig pa din ako na parang 2011 pa din.
Pangako ko sa buong buhay natin, ako pa din yung Richard na mahal mo simula nung high school. Hindi ako mababago, ikaw lang gusto ko, mamahalin kita.
Pretty woman, stop a while. Pretty woman, talk a while. Pretty woman, give your smile.
Yung nakakadiri sa close. Nabayaran ba? Nabigay ng...
May video pa!
Pretty woman, yeah, yeah, yeah. Pretty woman, look my way. Pretty woman, say you'll stay with me. 'Cause I need you.
Congrats, Charlie Cat.
Congrats, start na yun.
Come with me, baby.
Nakadalipat ako!
Tonight.
Doon ako!
Don't walk on by.
Kailangan ko lang na akong kain,
Don't make me cry, pretty woman. Don't walk away. Hey. Okay. If that's the way it must be, okay. I guess I'll go on home. It's late. There'll be tomorrow night. But wait, what do I see?
Richard, you may now kiss your wife.
Is she walking back to me?